All right, so you might be asking why should I get an electric or a gas heater? So I would say electric heater, one of the benefits is it's safer, cleaner to use. There's no need for gas tanks or hard lines, which is kind of a pain in the butt when you're trying to install some type of heater out on your patio. And you can actually mount this horizontally or vertically. So it doesn't really matter how you mount this since it's electrical. You can do it either way. So yeah, so advantages of an electric heater allows you to heat the local area. This isn't going to be a heater that you're going to use to So the main advantage of, I would say, of an electric heater is it's not meant to heat a large area around you. So if you have a really large local area, I would recommend picking up 2, 3, or 4 of these and just kind of situating them all around your patio, or switching to something that's larger that will radiate heat a lot more if you're just trying to go with one central one. Right? So like I said before, there's no flame. So if you have kids, it makes it really easy to use indoors or outdoors. Main points: it's safe, no need for gas cylinders, silent, it is electric, so it's not going to make any noise, it's clean, there's no gas smells, and it's virtually maintenance free. Compact, easy to use, store efficient. This patio heater is very compact. It's easy to store, easy to put together. It's efficient. It's not affected by drafts. It is very economical, so environmentally friendly, low running costs, and it's probably about 1/3 of the cost of running gas. But I would say the only thing that's a con on this is that, you know, you have just the 8-foot extension cord, and it's electric, so I wouldn't recommend leaving this out in the elements. So I wouldn't say that it's best to. So I would say this isn't waterproof. I would make sure you guys bring this in at the end of the night. Thanks for watching another Smartips product review. As usual, you can find the product reviewed in this video in the description down below. It is an affiliate link, but it's at no added cost to you, and it helps support my channel. If you got value out of this video, make sure you smash the like button. And if you want to watch future videos from me, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.